What is up, everyone? So before we start today's video, I have two things. One, I just have to say thank you to everyone who wished me happy birthday yesterday. I know I wasn't able to respond to a lot of you guys, but trust me, I saw it and I appreciate it, and it means the world to me. You guys are honestly the greatest subscribers ever. And on top of that, we had a t-shirt drop last video and it is already sold out, which is crazy. I would have never expected that. It's so badass. You guys are awesome. Your support is unreal, and I'm really happy that you guys like the new designs. So we did a little giveaway with it. We have the 3K valve covers, and well, I wasn't anticipating selling out this quickly, so I didn't pick a winner yet. But we'll save that for next video. Not next video, because next video is actually a track video, because tomorrow we get to bring the Sonic to the track for the second time. Today is a drift prep video. We have to get this thing ready for the track. And realistically, I haven't touched it since. It was like a week and a half ago the first time we took it. It's amazing. I was so impressed. The only thing that really bothered me was the lack of power. If you guys remember, it was only making like 3 PSI. And well, it wasn't fast. It was drivable and it was fun. I had a blast, but I'm dying to turn the boost up. And well, in preparation to that, I actually fully pumped a full electronic boost controller. And this time, I used all braided stainless lines, so I never have to worry about it. So I really want to see the numerical change in how much power it made the first time we were at the track and how much power we're gonna make for tomorrow. And so we're gonna throw on the dyno today and check it all out. And before we do that, I have to verify it all works, because I haven't done that yet. So let's hit the road, make sure it all works, then we'll head to the dyno. All the smoke. Alright, so let's see if we can get this thing to make 8 to 10 PSI. That's the goal. There are so many little things that I've been putting off on this car that I probably should have done in the last week, but
it's hot.
It's hot. It's been so hot. Look at me. Look at this. Look at my switch panel. What kind of rookie move is this? Huh? It's not a good look. All right, not a good look. Don't. This is very legal. Don't tune and drive. All right, let's see if that will do it. God damn it! All right, well, it's not working. All right, we gotta test it. You ready? You hear that? I know the camera can hear that. That's the boost controller going on and off. And well, we know the boost controller working. That means probably something isn't. It has to be plumbed correctly. There's no way.
Honestly, it's pretty nice over here in the shade right now.
I know,
not gonna lie. Nice breeze. Dude, it's good scenery. It's kind of romantic. You want a kiss? I'm
a huge disappointment.
Are you?
I'm feeling like one right now. Oh, I was on the wrong table. This is fine. Everything's fine.
I'm glad it's not on me for once. We're not overspray.
We don't talk about it.
Hey.
Oh, sick. That was 8 PSI.
That was 8?
That was 8.
It definitely felt a little bit better.
Alright, I hit limiter. Cool. So we're making 8 to 9 PSI right now, which is exactly what I want. We're good, man. Let's get this thing on the dyno and see how much she makes now.
Alright. That lady's face was funny.
She did not like that.
No, she was not stoked.
Packing all those orders really kicked your ass, huh, kid?
Your boy's tired.
You did like, how many orders was that?
435.
Crazy. How crazy is that?
It was nuts. I expected to do 250 to 300. I did not expect. When I left, there was like 100 orders in the queue, and I came in the next day and it said it was over 4. I was not expecting it.
How cool.
I'm so stoked.
You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. All right, RJ, get up. Let's go to the dyno. Let's see how little power this car makes.
Yo, you want to turn the AC on?
Yeah, get out of here. Remember, we still have the stock engine. We still got to be conservative. I have all the parts for the built motor. We're literally about to get that built like any day now. So once that's in, we can really push this thing to the limit and actually make some real power. But for now, it's been fun kind of like learning the chassis at a lower power number. We'll make a couple more horse puppies today, and we'll have a blast tomorrow, all right?
We're gonna have a blast tomorrow no matter what.
Where's Kenneth?
What is that?
A Nova. So we're here at Kenny's Dyno Experience, and we pulled up the last file. So last dyno time, it made about, I think it was 229 horsepower, 250 foot-pounds of torque. Not bad. That's a lot of torque.
I was close.
That's what's cool about the K. They make a lot of torque. But the whole goal today is to not make a lot of power. It's just to see how much power we were making versus how much power we're going to make for tomorrow, so we can see the comparison on the track. So it's been about like 3 psi now. So I'm going to guess it's maybe 195 horsepower. What do you think?
I think on 3 psi, I bet you it's in the 180s.
Okay, so we'll see how it goes, and we'll turn it back up. We'll try and get back to this number, if not bring it up a little bit higher, and then we'll go from there. And I'll tell you what, it's been plenty fun so far, so it's only uphill from here.
You were crushing it on the track.
Not bad, right?
3 psi.
So we'll see how 8, maybe 10, probably 10 goes.
Max, we'll go. We'll see. It's gonna do great.
Hook her up. All right, Kenny, how much do you think it was making at 3-4 psi?
165.
That low?
You ever see what these things make without any boost?
Fair enough. The first pull, I'm gonna set the boost back to where it was, and we're gonna see how much it was making that first track day.
Do I want to be in rod territory, or do I want to be behind?
Don't say that. That's bad mojo off the rip.
I am excited to hear how much better it sounds from the front like this without that obnoxious wastegate.
Oh, that's true. That is true.
Yeah.
We haven't heard any like nice clean dyno pulls.
Because it wasn't. We had the other wastegate at the track, right?
We did like the day before the track, yeah.
Did we? Ready. Ready. It sounds so much better with the other wastegate on.
Get out of here!
No, I meant this one.
Oh,
sorry.
yeah, no.
It sounds so much better with this wastegate.
Yeah, it sounds so
on
much better with
here.
the research wastegate. What? That was 3-4.
Good. 210.
Wow.
Not what I expected. I didn't log it.
A lot more than I was expecting.
That was way more than I
It
expected.
might have been more boost. I'm not gonna lie, I completely forgot to log that pull. So that might have been like 5 psi. We'll say 210, all right? 210.
We're all wrong.
We were all wrong. Let's turn it up. All right?
15. Not bad.
What did it make?
229 and 248.
That's where it was before.
That's where it was before, right?
Yeah.
So that was 7 psi. Really made more power to start than I thought.
Yeah.
So let's turn it up some more and get this thing just a little bit higher, right? I think we can make 250 today.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think she can hang. I think we'll have no problems having this thing at 250. This will kind of be like when we did the M52 to S52 swap in the E30, right?
Yeah.
So it'll be comparable.
Damn, boy.
Who do you know here?
You thick. Straight past 250. Oh man, 257 and 271.
Not bad.
That's too shabby.
It just made 10 psi.
Wow.
Yeah, just.
That's good.
Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're definitely like in the efficiency range now. Like every psi now will gain a decent amount of power. So let's check it out. Awesome as you can see, it made power everywhere, not just peak. Like it made power everywhere. Like look at the torque. It literally jumped. So I was able to clean a couple of things up on the map. We'll do one more pull just to like solidify the results, and then we'll go try her out.
Alrighty. Lost one, gain one. So it's basically the same.
That's it.
Cool.
We made basically 50 horsepower everywhere, more than what we're making at the track. So in a 2,500 pound car, should feel that pretty damn good. Now let's see if our ass dyno can feel the difference. Still slow. but faster.
It feels pretty quick.
You know, it doesn't help that I was street tuning like a 380 horsepower KAT all morning.
So from my point of view over here, it's a lot faster.
Good.
How's that?
Good.
Oh yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot faster.
It's a lot faster.
It's a lot faster.
He's gotta let it eat in third.
There's a lot more pull now.
Oh yeah, there is.
Excuse me, no filming on premises?
Cool.
Feels good?
Feels real good.
Oh, I'm so excited for tomorrow.
Oh, me too.
Awesome. How much more?
Like 50 more horse.
Really?
Yeah, so should be noticeable for sure.
Wow.
You're gonna have fun tomorrow, Patty.
Oh God, yeah, I've been waiting for this since March. I can't wait.
All right, I did a bolt check on the car. Everything seems tight, everything seems good. I mean, realistically, there's only so much you could do before a drift event. You get to the point when you just start stressing yourself out. So, I'm gonna assume this thing's mint, and we're gonna worry about it tomorrow. I gotta show you guys, because this is ridiculous. So, check this truck out, right? Big red here. This is RJ's mom's truck. Yeah, she's a gangster. She's a gangster truck. Look at it. So, she's letting us borrow it, which is amazing. And you're probably wondering why. Well, my truck, my little Sierra here, she's a good girl. I love this thing. She's done me really, really well. But just like any Northeast truck, she's a little rusty, all right? Last time we went up to Stay Gold to do the wastegate on the Sonda, I found out something pretty devastating. Check this thing out. You guys are gonna laugh at this. Look how bad this is. Okay, so here's the trailer hitch mount, right? You see it go right here? Boom! Oh yeah, that thing just split. So the only thing holding the hitch on right now is this crusty ass bumper. Scary. Literally, I got to the shop, right? I jacked the trailer up to tilt it back. I heard this thing crunch. I couldn't believe that the trailer and the Sonda actually made it to their shop. It's about 2 big bumps away from this thing falling off. So that's my life. Rusty, crusty ass truck. So I ordered the new mount, and we gotta give the truck some TLC. Here's my explanation to why I haven't been using my truck lately. Because it's a piece of junk. So be it. Reason number 2 why I'm just a mess. I am now taking RJ's mom's truck, which is amazing, the AC bump in, to go borrow Jip's trailer, which is like 40 minutes away, because mine got stolen and I still haven't found a replacement. I'm being picky because I really like my last trailer and I don't want to downgrade. And for some reason, the prices of used trailers right now are just absurd. I don't know what the deal is. So it looks like I'm gonna have to order a new one, suck it up, and just cry as I swipe my credit card. So luckily, I have amazing friends that will let me get by in the meantime. And, well, let's go pick it up. Yeah? So, look at Jip flexing all the rides. Letting all the neighbors know who's got the money on the block. Oh my God. I love this thing so much. Well, there we go. The rig for the weekend. What do you think, Jim?
I think you're all set.
Big Jim. It's a rig, isn't it?
Dude, this is what Jimmy needs.
It is, it is.
Definitely.
Trailer officially acquired. Thank you, Jim. Love you, bud. I just realized I don't need to buy a trailer until Jip finishes his car. So I have like a whole season. No, Jip's hatch is like almost done. And if you guys know the budget hatch, if you guys are OGs, man, does it look a hell of a lot different, and it looks good. I cannot wait to show you guys. I will give an update on it soon. I'm just gonna wait till he has it together. Boom, she fits, because I gotta park it inside, because clearly it's not a good neighborhood. But cool. Jip's trailer is actually pretty cool. This mount thing is badass. Like, I fit all my drift spares up there, and I think that looks, honestly, that looks pretty dope. Not really too exciting today. I just didn't want to miss another video, but tomorrow will be a big day. I'm expecting great things because honestly the car feels so much freaking faster, and hopefully we can get this thing to throw some more smoke and not just exhaust smoke. So, but I hope you guys still like today's video, even though we didn't really do too much. It was good. Tomorrow's gonna be an amazing day, so you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for content of the Civic slaying some freaking tires. And well, have a great day.